Hi everyone, this is Robins from Robins Resins Plus. There will be a video up with the rest of my products that I'm selling for Father's Day, but I'm also selling my famous burners so that when you purchase some of the resins, you have something to burn it in. I don't personally use a charcoal burner inside the house because number one, as you could see, there's a fan going and it will take the smoke and set off my burger alarm. And in the winter, it'll still take the smoke and burn and set up my burger alarm. So I like to use a manual burner, and I've gone through so many different ones, and I found this actually in a little Indian store, and I fell in love with it, and I was able to get it from an Indian manufacturer on that is in India to bring to you. And I'm going to go through both of them. So this is the first one. It comes like this when I send it to you in a plastic bag. It's brass. It's made in India. And what I like about it is it's got this little knob under it. And you pick it up to where you basically want it. And then you close it. And what you do is you put a candle under here, and then what you do, I'm going to put it down for a second so I can show you. Then you take another candle and you take the wax out, and it comes with a little basket here. Comes with this. I put it in so it sits in there because it's basically got holes in it, so the heat will go through it. So I stick it in there because it holds it better. And then I take the resin, I put the resin in here, and then I stick it on the top. And what I tell people is first set up the wick. And of course it gets very, very hot. So, and I can't show you it with it lit because it'll get too hot for me to pick it up. So I'm showing it to you this way so you can make believe that there's fire in there. But you can hold up the wick and you see how it is, and it usually comes a little bit higher. And I would take it and I would put it on a table, set the bottom on fire, leave the resin out of it, and set it exactly how you want it on the table, not in your hands. And when you have it set, blow out the flame, then place the resin within the little bucket from the other candle inside and relight it. And as I said, I like it because you can go up and down, and I've shown you videos already how nicely it smokes. And it happens to be very, very pretty, but unfortunately it gets very, very hot. So you want to put it on a hot plate, and you don't want to touch this once it's hot unless you're wearing some type of protective glove so you don't burn your fingers if you find you raised it a little too high. But as I said, it has the ability to go up and down. So that's why I like it. So this one's my favorite. And I use this all the time. I actually have one in every room because I'm too lazy to take it out. So I just put it in every room. And it has it'll get very hot and it'll melt the resin and it'll bubble. So don't put a lot of resin in here. You can always add resin if needed. And then it will give you a full stream of smoke, and it's wonderful. So the other one I have is a soapstone. And this one also has a candle. And by the way, I give you 2 candles if you buy the brass one to start, so you have a start. And this one is made out of soapstone, and it's very heavy. It does not get hot, but the candle goes on the bottom like this, and then it has a removable top. And I'm going to put it down so you can see it. What I do is this can be used for essential oil or resin. If you're going to do this for resin, you want to put a carrier oil in here and then put the resin in so that it'll be much easier to get it out afterwards, because if you just put the resin, you're never going to get it out of this. Or, as I said, you can use it with an essential oil, and even an essential, I would use a carrier oil. I really wouldn't put water in it. I don't like them with water. I like them with a carrier oil. You just get a much nicer smell. So, as I said, this one is an either or. The other one is just for resin. This one I will give you one candle for this one. And for this one, I will give you the top and the bottom. You just need to gut it out. The candles, just so you know, these candles are made of soy. Do not buy the artificial tea light candles. They sell them in the supermarket, in the kosher aisle, because the kosher ones are made with soy or vegetable oil. I buy them, they're like 100 for like $7. So you can't go wrong. And you can also get them on Amazon. Amazon also sells the beeswax ones, but the beeswax ones are more expensive. And if you use your resin as much as I do, your burner as much as I do, it's going to cost you a fortune to burn beeswax. So the soys are like half the price. So this is the burner. These are the two burners. And also, by the way, the soap stump not just comes this color, it's a random color, because this is totally handmade. So it comes either lighter brown, darker brown. It could have an amber color. It could be green. Doesn't matter. That's how they sell it, because it's all handmade and they can't get it exactly the same color. They're on sale. This one's on sale. The burner's on sale only for the Father's Day special. Dads, you get a great sale. Moms or husbands, wives, better yet, wives and moms, you get a great sale. Or women that are not married and have dads, you have a great sale coming to you. So again, it's only until June 18th. Have a great day.